So here is the setup of batch job. You can see I have mentioned direct path of the CSV files. Here the CSV, the source is going to be stored. The employee does .csv. That means in this path only we have to store the data. Okay, wherever the machine, wherever the program exists or the application exists, this path has to be there, and as well as this CSV file. Okay, and here is another. This is one job. This is the CSV for one job. So here you can see the jobs which I have defined. This is what the first job. Here only one step. We can have multiple steps also. So this is one step. So this is the CSV files information will be supplied. This is the indicator, and here is the indicator for the destination, means we are going to put the data into the MySQL file or MySQL DB. This is what is the second job. The name I have mentioned as report job. Anything we can mention. Here I have mentioned the employee job. Again the same thing. Here is the CSV files indicator and the MySQL destination indicator. These four indicators have been defined in the below part. Here is the past jobs indicator CSV files. Here is the second job CSV files, means is the report.csv. Same location I have mentioned, file colon, then this path and the CSV file. Then here is the MySQL information. First indicator, it will make the data available into the employee file, employee.db. These are the column names, and here is the second table I have mentioned for the second task, second indicator. Then finally I have gone for scheduling. If you don't want to schedule, then this much is enough to put the data from CSV to the MySQL or any DB, whichever we will mention. Database information is there in the here is the database information. Okay, so I have used the database name as test batch. In the local machine, means in the local host it is going to be stored. Okay, and the scheduler which I have mentioned over there, you can see this is the scheduler, and this scheduler is having an ID, and this is going to be associated with a cron. A cron is a type of expression it can contain, which will make the program or make the batch job run in a specific time span. This is what is the number of seconds. This is what is the number of hour of the day. this is which day. Since I don't want to mention any day, the day or month or year, all this thing I don't want to mention. So simply I have mentioned 20, means 20 in each 20 seconds it is going to execute. Suppose we want to execute in a specific hour of a day, or every day we want to execute on 14th hour, means 2 p.m. So then this expression will look like this. I have commented this, and here is the uncommented part, which will make the batch job run or the schedule run for each 20 seconds. So when I will run it, I can run it directly from here. Java application, okay. So it builds the files. So here it asks which order we want to execute. I will mention job 1 space job 2. Completed. It waits for the 20 seconds now. Again it asks for job order. I will mention here job 2 space job 1. The order is changed and both executed. You can see in the table now, this was empty. This is a report table. Here is the employee table. Since I ran twice, so here you can see 2 sets of data. Okay, this is a dummy table I have created to test. So it also might have gone for inserting into 2 records. So here you can see the header also it has taken. That means it has gone for putting records twice, because I executed twice. It's still waiting. When I will mention, suppose job 1 again, job 2. It's run. Here you can see, you will find now it is 54 records. When I will browse again, it became 81 records. Same thing, the employee, you can see now 3 sets of records. Previously it was 8 records, now it is 12 records. So now what I will do, I will convert it to the executable jar, export, enable jar. So here is the jar location. So since the file already exists, it asks to replace it. Yes, I will replace. Okay. So now we can go to the folder. So here, this is what the executable jar. This one you can execute directly, or here is a batch file which will do the same thing whichever I was doing from the Eclipse. Means the user need not to be use the Eclipse, only the batch file and the jar file has to be there. So now it asks for the order. Again I will mention job 1, job 2. Wait for 20 seconds now. Let us see what changes has been made in the table. again 12 records you can see. Now it is 16 records, 4 new records has been added. Okay, same thing you can see in the report table also. So previously there were 3 sets of records. Now it has inserted this record onwards, the 4th time which I executed through the batch file. So that means an user or end user just need to have these 2 files, this one and this one. Okay, so this is how we can go for using batch or Spring Batch with Spring Scheduler and Cron expression. Thank you.